to trending cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. Now, one of the token that is trending, I just made a review video on EverBNB token, and after I scroll down a little, I saw EverEarn token. So my question is, EverBNB and EverEarn, they kind of want to look similar. Are they the same project? Are they similar? The EverBNB token, they are giving you BNB as a reflection and as a reward token for holding the EverBNB token, right? They're giving you BNB coin, is a very big coin, the Binance coin, for holding the EverBNB token. But the EverEarn token, I'm yet to do a review on it. So guys, join me. Let us quickly do a review on EverEarn. This token has done 47.53%, and I trust people. For the fact this token has done 47.53, people are already jumping in, they are buying this token, they're already investing money in this token. So let us quickly do a review. But before then, you're welcome to this channel. This is the Alpha Crypto channel, the channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news. I give you updates of stuffs happening in the crypto space. I make videos every day. Trust me, if you subscribe to this channel, you would get minimum of 2 to 3 videos every day where I talk about cryptocurrencies. I review token. I don't think anybody has done a lot of token reviews than I have in the crypto space. And the interesting part is, for each review I do, I get better and I keep growing. And it's something I really love, because myself and my community, we keep getting closer. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting reviews, you'll be among the first to see it. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to review EverEarn token. Now, first thing you should take note of is that this token is built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 Smart Chain, and most of the cheap tokens I know are usually built on the Binance Smart Chain. The official website is everearn.net, and then we'll be checking the official website. Then we'll try to see the number of orders, look at the contract on BSC scan. Then we would go on PoolCoin to check every information in terms of the total supply, the market cap, and finally we'll end on token sniffer, where we are going to scan the contract address to see whether it is safe to invest or not. Listen to me, my videos are not financial advice videos. I'm not your financial expert. My videos are majorly for educational purpose. So please make sure you do your due diligence. You try as much as possible to go on to read further and get more information on this project. Now, the EverEarn token, from the information we can get here, this token is built on the Binance Smart Chain 1, and number 2, this token is a hyper deflationary token. A hyper deflationary token simply means the token will be burnt from time to time, which will reduce the total supply of the token, and which could have a positive impact on the price. One. Number 2, they said the token is a frictionless yield Binance Smart Chain blockchain contract. So the token is built on the Binance blockchain, right, BEP20, with auto-generated liquidity. So when you do your transaction, there's a particular portion that goes to the liquidity, and auto-buyback and burn. When you buy and you sell, there's a part they burn in the token, right? Now, another thing is that they said they are giving a massive 11% BUSD. I think that is where the name EverEarn comes from. The fact that they are giving you 11% BUSD reward for holding the token, that is actually massive. BUSD is the stable, the pegged US dollar, the Binance pegged US dollar, so it is stable currency, stable pegged to the dollar. So they are giving you like dollar reward for holding the EverEarn token. These are the information that is on CoinMarketCap, but there, for us to get more information, we need to check the official website of this token, and this is it. They said they are having 11% BUSD reward forever. In other words, the EverEarn token is a Binance Smart Chain blockchain token designed to distribute wealth to people by providing the highest BUSD reward ratio on the planet. The question is, how do they want to go about it, and how sustainable is this? Well, we'll check the website to get every information we can check. Then from the official website, you can see that they are planning to have an NFT marketplace, a swap, a wallet, a token economies, and the roadmap is here. I will not be taking my time to go through all this information. If not, this video will be way too long. I will just quickly pick informations I feel are important for us to see. Look at this. From the information we get here, they said the token like I said earlier, it's giving 11% BUSD reward, which is the Binance pegged US dollar. I tried to explain, and they said 1% will go to auto-generating liquidity, 1% will go to buyback, and 2% will go to marketing. That is what they want us to understand. This is just like 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 should be 15. I think the tax should be around 15 if I'm correct. Now they said you should live life on your terms. So basically what they are trying to do is that they said investors come first. So we have developed an aggressive initial roadmap to establish a solid ecosystem, the one where all generated will be fully taxed, minimum BUSD reward. So basically when you buy and sell, they'll be collecting massive tax from you. In their own opinion, the tax will now be what the investors that are holding for a long time will benefit from. That is what they are trying to explain here. But so far this token doesn't look like a token that has any utility from the review I'm doing now. Now they're giving the highest BUSD reward, they are giving 1% auto liquidity, they are giving 1% to buy back and earn, and they have an anti-whale mechanism. Anti-whale mechanism simply means that there's a way they are controlling that people cannot buy more than a particular amount of this token. All this information they are putting on their website, we will still go and check them on the contract address, and we're going to see whether they are all true or not. Now they say they are creating their ever NFT marketplace where you can buy, you can share, you can trade, you can share, you can mint NFT, and they have plans to create the ever swap. Now these are projects they have plans to create. These projects, when they create them, will not give this token utility, but for now this token doesn't have any utility. They still want to create a wallet and a tracker. So far there are a lot of stuff they are claiming they are going to create, and the best place for you to get this information is on their official website. In other words, from the roadmap you can see that this token was released in November 2021, and right now we are in February 2022. Let's check the number of people holding this project so far. Currently we just have 1836, which means this project is not really moving forward or moving at the pace they are planning this project should move forward. In my opinion, I feel a project that is not really going this fast, well, if you want to invest in it, you need to be very very careful, because I cannot tell you where to invest your money or where not to invest your money. I can only just give you all the information, and I will just advise you to make your own decision. Now the total supply of this token is like million, billion, 100 billion total supply. Now the fact they said is a deflationary token, which means from time to time they will be burning this token, which means the supply will be reducing from time to time. However, the market cap of this token is currently $4 million. $4 million. People holding token 1,800. The liquidity, they have $339,000 in the liquidity, which gives this token a good amount of liquidity. From the information we are seeing here, the chart is just there. Like, this token is looking like a token that's in its early phase from poolcoin.app, and you can see that a lot of people are jumping in to buy the token. A lot of people are jumping, just a couple of sales. So for us to now see whether this token is safe to invest in or not, but from the information I've gotten so far on from the website and everything they are claiming they are going to do, I think this token is in its early phase, and it's good if you just give it time for you to see how far it will go before you now quickly jump and invest your money. But if you're a risk taker, I advise you to do more research before you now finally invest your money into it, and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. However, for us to now scan the contract address, we'll be using token sniffer. Look at it, EverEarn token. Now the rating is 55/100. 55/100 is just like an average score, right? For the token you want to invest your money in, 55/100 is an average score. But then let's keep it rolling. The buy fee is 15%, the sell fee is 15%. This is actually high. So when you buy this token and you sell this token, they will charge you 30%. 30%. So imagine you buy this token and you want to sell at a loss, you'll be losing way more. But that is the price they are putting on the token, because they are claiming that they'll be giving you BUSD reward. Now if you leave there, you see that there are similar contract address that have been created, which makes this token a low quality token, but then the token address itself is like an edited or a cloned contract, a contract that is existing. They just edited some stuff and used the contract to recreate its token, and this is usually common with tokens that are built on the Binance BEP20 smart chain. Now the source code does not contain a maximum transaction amount. the transaction amount is not on a source code. This is a huge red flag. This could be a honeypot risk, guys. So which means the owner of this token can actually do some modulation and some manipulation that could lead the token becoming a honeypot. This is a very important warning. Now the ownership is not renounced, giving the owner ability to create some functionality, and the owner could modify the contract behavior. In other words, the owner can disable selling, change the fees, mint new tokens. There could be some legitimate reason why ownership of a token is not denounced. I know a lot of projects that the ownership is not denounced. Even Chimps in ownership is not denounced. However, most cases the owners take advantage of this to rip people off their money. So it's very important for you to actually follow this project in their Telegram group, their various platforms, read more about the project before you now invest your hard-earned money on it, right? So the token that is burnt, they have burnt 15%, locked is 35%. They have liquidity there, and the liquidity is from now till like July 2022. So in the place of liquidity, there's adequate liquidity. In the place of ownership, wallet, the owner's wallet, and every other person holding this token, I think nobody is holding. The anti-whale mechanism is actually true. Nobody is holding large amount of the token. If you go on BSC scan and you click on holders, you're going to see that from here nobody is holding large amount of the token. I think everybody is holding less than 5% of this token, which makes their claim true. I'm waiting for this to load, but then let's keep it rolling. If it opens, we check. If it doesn't open, I cannot be wasting time trying. I just want to show you guys, right? So basically the flags in this token is that, number one, the token contains a maximum transaction amount, which is very risky, which could lead to a honeypot one. And number two, the ownership of this token is not renounced. The buy and the sell tax is high. But then if you think you are okay with all this and you still want to go ahead and invest, please go on and do whatever you want to do. I've just done my review. If you find my review interesting, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, you like my video, you leave a comment. It helps my algorithm, it makes YouTube suggest my videos to more people. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content.